Hi, welcome to Fly Alongside. Today I am unboxing the DANIU digital soldering iron model number PX988. Bangood.com has this on sale in July of 2018 for $14, and it looks like a very good adjustable temperature digital soldering iron. So we're going to do a quick unboxing. It takes the 900M series tips, and it is 90 watts. 92 watts is what they say on here. 90 watts is what the Bangood description provides. So it comes in this plastic, then this foam box. There's nothing else in the paper box that comes in. It comes with this pointed tip already installed, and the 3-prong 110 volt plug. Has this user manual. Looks like it's just a few pages. Specifications. And some brief instructions. Alright. Let's plug it in. Let's see what it looks like. I'm not sure. It looks like it might not be working. It says power on when the plug in the power, press the start key, the power will be on. Oh, there we go. It's just a short press. So it goes warming up. You can of course adjust the temperature with these two. It said it was backlit, but it looks like there is just a small LED to the side of the screen. So there's 350, and it does adjust in increments of 5 degrees Celsius. I'll be testing this iron out in the weeks and months to come as I build a few more quadcopters. So stay tuned. I'm Nick from Fly Alongside. I'll have more videos coming for you real soon. Thanks for watching.